Hello students, welcome to the another session of basic math series. In this session we will discuss about the mod of a graph. So suppose we are having one graph that is y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now take mod of 3x plus 2 and let us see what the nature of the graph. Now see, the whatever the graph below the x-axis, it has become a mirror image of the same. Now take the another graph, that is parabola. So now the mod if we'll take, then below whatever the graph below the x-axis become the mirror image of that. So next graph, this log, and if we'll take the mod of log x, then see whatever the graph below the x-axis, it has come up. So delete earlier graph, it's been like that. So this is a 10x graph. If you take 10x log of mod of 10x, then graph will be like this. And just you remove this one. So graph will be like this. Just mod 10x graph will be like this. Now we'll learn the transformation of curve by replacing y is equal to y plus 2 or y minus 2 or x, say x minus uh, 1 or x plus 1. See, first graph is y square is equal to 2x. This also a parabola symmetric to x-axis. Now you replace y to y minus 2 and to x to x minus 1. So let us see what happens. See, now graph this origin, now this shifted to 2 is to 1. So minus 2 become 2 coordinate and minus 1 become 1. So this coordinate is 1 comma 2. So that it's shifted like that. And see, if replace by 2 by plus 2 and replace x plus 1, let us see. Then y this origin here shifted to uh, minus 2 and minus 1. So coordinate will be minus 1 minus 2. So this is the transformation by changing coordinates. And you can expand that, and you can find out the 2-degree equations. Now we'll learn transformation by rotating the curve. So in that you will have to replace y with minus x sin a plus y cos a and x with x cos a plus y sin a. Then let us see what happened. Suppose you are increasing it to 30-degree angle. See, this is 30-degree angle. 30-degree angle. Then it has rotated by 30-degree. So you put the value a is equal to 30, then it will rotate like this. So 90, if you put the value 90, then it will be simply x square is equal to 2 by. So like that. If you want to rotate in the clockwise direction, then you have to replace a with minus a. So that you have to remember the transformation, that x has to be replaced by x cos a plus y sin a, and y has to replace by minus x minus sin a plus y cos a. Then for positive angle, it will rotate in anti-clockwise. For negative angle, it will rotate in clockwise direction. Here we will learn the transformation of curve by multiplying x, that is angle of trigonometrical ratio. Suppose the first function is y is equal to sin x. Here y is equal to sin x. Then graph, you can see. Now you see the graph of y is equal to sine 2x. So here what is happening is a periodicity just half. Here period was 2 pi sine and here it become period only pi. So take a example of variable multiplying factor. Suppose variable multiplying factor n is 2. Then it becomes same curve. Suppose you are giving it 3. So 3x. Then again period still got reduced. Period will be 2 pi by 3. So now 4. Then what period it has become? It has become 2 pi by 4. That means pi by 2. So now if divide means pi, suppose you take point 0.5. Point 0.5. Point 0.5. Point 0.5 means point 0.5. So now period will become double. 2 pi in place of 2 pi now is a 4 pi. So similarly for the tan x also. Suppose we have got a curve of tan x. Then tan 2x curve will be like this. Period of the tan 2x curve as reduced by half if you are multiply. And if you divide, then it become twice. For tan x by 2, it will become for tan x by 2, y is equal to tan x by 2. See, period has now become double.